Lean manufacturing tools for problem solving. In this session, we shall discuss about important lean tools for problem solving in an organization. We shall discuss here Gamba, Poka Yoke, root cause analysis, and Anden. Now, we shall discuss about the Poka Yoke concepts. Poka Yoke roughly means avoid unexpected surprises or avoid blunders in Japanese. In English, a Poka Yoke is sometimes referred to as mistake-proof or foolproof. A Poka Yoke is a mechanism that is put in place to prevent human error. The purpose of a Poka Yoke is to inhibit, correct or highlight an error as it occurs. Essentially, a Poka Yoke is a safeguard that prevents a process from proceeding to the next step until the proper conditions have been met. Poka Yoke can be either warning mechanisms or control mechanisms. Warnings provide an alert that is designed to prevent additional errors or defects from happening. Control mechanisms stop the next step of a process from occurring. Poka Yoke have their roots in lean manufacturing and are closely aligned with Six Sigma methodologies, continuous improvement, or Kaizen ways, and the Toyota Production System, or TPS. Dr. Shigeo Shingo, an industrial engineer, who is also a Toyota consultant, authored the book, Zero Quality Control, Source Inspection, and the Poka Yoke System. There he described the concept of designing process steps to be mistake-proof. There are many examples of Poka Yoke concepts in daily life. A few noteworthy are: design of a USB port you can connect only in one particular way. The slim card slot of a phone. You can place a SIM card following the corner cut. Automobiles have many Poka Yokes installed for users not to make any mistakes, such as seat belt warnings. Not able to start the ignition unless the gear is shifted to neutral or the clutch plate disengaged. The Poka Yoke concepts may help us in many ways. When a mistake reaches the customer, it becomes a defect. Poka Yoke aims to prevent defects by catching, correcting, and eliminating mistakes at the source. Next is reducing time spent on training. Since workers won't need to look out for as many problems, you won't need to spend as much time training them on these issues. Implementing Poka Yoke in a very structured manner promotes a culture of continuous improvement. As a result, it helps in improving safety, reducing waste, and achieving higher productivity.
End of the session.